What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're continuing this eyelash series, and today we're actually going to show you how to properly apply strip lashes with glue. And once again, I have my girlfriend Zuleika here because she is the beauty lash guru.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
So once again, we have our makeup done, but we're missing mascara and the most important look that can make your makeup and your eyes just really pop, which of course is lashes.
So that's what we're talking about today. So we are going to give strip lashes a try. Alright, so first things first, the two things there's four things you're gonna need when you put on fake eyelashes. One, the lashes itself. Obviously, I have smaller eyes than Zuleika, so you wanna kinda try and see what lashes fit and look best on you. When it comes to me, I always have to cut my eyelashes. So what I do is I'll actually lay them on top of my eyelash, measure them, and then just cut them with scissors. Otherwise, they're gonna stick out and look bad, or poke you on the inside.
Oh, that's painful.
Which is painful.
They'll bug you all night.
Yeah, you don't want that. So, 1, the lashes, 2, scissors to cut them, 3, tweezers to help put them on.
If you don't have tweezers, a lot of times if you bought the Ardell lashes, I always keep around is this little guy, and a lot of times literally at your Walgreens, CVS, whichever pharmacy, this guy helps so much. This little pointy end always does a trick for just getting that perfect application.
And lastly, the glue.
Yes, which we also both want to talk about our favorite glue and why. So I really like this Duo lash glue. It actually has a little brush, and that's why it's my favorite. So actually what is hard, and I've heard this so many times from people, is putting the glue onto the lash and getting the application on just perfectly is what gets people every single time. And this is just such easy application. Seriously guys, you just can't go wrong with it.
And for me on the other side, I love, once again, it's from Duo, but I like the black one just because when you put it on your eyelash, it almost acts as like an eyeliner. And so, and even though the white dries, I just like the way the black looks.
This definitely will dry clear, so you don't need to worry about that.
All right, so now let's show you how to apply them the easiest, best way possible. So for me, I now have measured my eyelash and I've cut them so they're now the right length. Second, you apply the glue.
Yes, you apply the glue, and be very careful with the glue. You just don't need to overdo it. Just little as possible, but make sure it's on all the way through on the band.
And actually after putting the glue, before I put it on my eyelash, I tend to blow on the glue just to make it a little dry and sticky.
You always want the shortest end of the lash on the inner part of your eye, and the longer one is what's gonna wisp out.
Then you match it up to your eye, and you want it to be at the very base of your eyelash. So it's touching your skin to make it look most real.
I usually like to go in the center, make sure my center is on, and then the most important, I also go to my corners and I'll grab my little tool that I showed you guys, and I'll just push really gently on the inner corner of my eye for a few seconds, and I make sure that's on, and then I'll move to my outer corner, and that's it.
Yeah, the most important thing when putting on an eyelash is to make sure that the inner corner and the outer corner are very secure. That's where it will lift up first. And then when the lash is on your eye, I like to just finish it off with 1 coat of mascara.
This is the final look, you guys, and as you can tell from when we started, what a dramatic difference they have made on our face. I mean, I know I feel prettier. How do you feel?
Oh yeah, I think that having fake eyelashes, it just makes you bat your eyes a little bit more and flirt a little bit more and smile. I love them. Obviously, we have done this many, many times, so it does take practice.
Just definitely be patient and then go in with a really light hand. If you're going in pretty aggressively and heavy, I mean, you could definitely mess them up, so just be really delicate always when dealing with your eyes.
Zuleika has a blog called The Daily Concealer where everything to do about makeup, beauty, even like the right foods to eat when it comes to beauty. She knows all the tips and tricks, so make sure to check it out, Daily Concealer.
Thank you guys for watching so much, and stay tuned. I will definitely post on my Instagram page my favorite brand of lashes.
Well, thank you so much for joining.
Thanks for having me.
Because you guys know every blonde needs their brunette.
And every brunette needs their blonde.